Maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng nagpapakita ng support at magmamahal sa akin. I'm so sorry kung na-disappointment kayo sa akin, but I know na I did my best. I even cut my finger earlier. And yung stockings ko, puno na din siya ng dugo. I didn't have time to retouch my hair, to retouch my makeup.